for morning habits that could be dangerous after 70 and how to fix them. Good morning. Son, have you ever wondered if the small things you do each morning could actually impact your health in a big way, especially as you get older? Today's video might surprise you. We're about to explore 4 everyday morning habits that could be putting your health at risk if you're over 70, and most people don't even realize it. These habits can affect your heart, your brain, your circulation, and even your balance. But the good news is they're easy to fix once you know about them. So grab a cup of tea or a glass of water, get comfortable, and stay with me until the very end. Because the final mistake we'll cover is one of the least discussed, but most dangerous. And making one small change can help you stay independent, mobile, and healthier for years to come. Before we begin, if you find videos like this helpful, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future health tips. All right, let's begin. Mistake number 1, getting out of bed too quickly. It might sound harmless. After all, you've been getting out of bed for decades. But as we age, our bodies don't always respond the way they used to. During sleep, your blood pressure lowers, your heart rate slows, and your blood tends to pool a bit in your lower body. If you suddenly sit or stand up, your body may struggle to adjust. This can cause a sharp drop in blood pressure called orthostatic hypotension. The result? Dizziness, blurred vision, and even fainting, which can lead to serious falls. Take Helen, age 75. One morning, she hopped out of bed to answer phone. In seconds, she felt dizzy and stumbled, injuring her wrist. Fortunately, this is easy to prevent. Here's what you can do. White heavy check mark when you first wake up. Take a minute to breathe deeply. Wiggle your fingers and toes to stimulate circulation. White heavy check mark next. Roll to your side and slowly push up into a seated position with your feet on the floor. White heavy check mark sit for 30 to 60 seconds, lightly moving your ankles and wrists. Then, when you feel ready, stand up slowly, using a sturdy surface if needed. These extra moments can make all the difference in keeping you steady and safe. Mistake number 2 is one of the most common, forgetting to drink water first thing in the morning. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Yet many people, especially older adults, start their day without replenishing lost fluids. This mild dehydration can lead to sluggish circulation, increased strain on your heart, higher blood pressure, poor kidney function, headaches, and fatigue. And if your first drink is coffee or tea, you might make dehydration worse, since both are diuretics. Let's take the example of George, 78. He always began his day with a strong cup of coffee and skipped water. Over time, he noticed frequent headaches and low energy in the mornings. Once he started drinking a glass of water before anything else, those symptoms improved noticeably. Here's an easy habit to adopt. White heavy check mark, keep a glass or bottle of water on your bedside table. Drink it as soon as you wake up, before coffee or breakfast. White heavy check mark if you prefer warm drinks. Try warm water with lemon. It gently stimulates digestion and rehydrates you. By starting your day with water, you're supporting your heart, brain, and entire body. It's a small habit with big benefits. Mistake number 3, having coffee before eating anything. Coffee is beloved worldwide, but drinking on an empty stomach can be problematic, especially as we age. Here's why. Your stomach is more sensitive in the morning. Coffee stimulates acid production, which can irritate your stomach lining. Coffee also raises cortisol, your stress hormone, which is already high upon waking. Excess cortisol can disrupt blood sugar and energy levels. Drinking coffee without food can lead to jitters, nausea, heartburn, and even a racing heart. Consider Margaret, age 74. For years, she drank black coffee first thing. But after experiencing increased acid reflux and anxiety, she tried eating a small snack first, like half a banana or a slice of toast. The difference was dramatic. You don't need to give up coffee. Just adjust when you drink it. White heavy check mark. Start your day with water first. White heavy check mark, eat a light snack before your coffee. White heavy check mark, then enjoy your coffee with or after breakfast. This simple switch helps stabilize blood sugar, protect your stomach, and prevents that unpleasant caffeine crash later in the day. Mistake number 4 is subtle but important: ignoring morning stiffness and moving too quickly. As we sleep, our muscles and joints become less lubricated. This can cause stiffness, especially in the back, hips, knees, and shoulders. Getting up and moving too fast when your body isn't ready can lead to strained muscles, twisted joints, increased risk of falls. For example, consider Tom, 79. He always powered through morning stiffness, until one day he twisted his knee getting out of bed too quickly. What followed was months of rehab and reduced mobility. Here's how to prepare your body for the day. White heavy check mark while still lying in bed. Start with gentle stretches. Move your fingers and toes. Rotate ankles and flex your knees. White heavy check mark, do light pelvic tilts or leg slides to loosen your hips and lower back. White heavy check mark when you sit up. Roll your shoulders and take a few deep breaths. White heavy check mark, stand up gradually and be mindful of your first steps, especially if heading to the bathroom in low lighting. Just a few minutes of mindful movement in bed can make your joints feel more mobile and help you avoid injury. Now, let's quickly review. Keycap 1, don't rush out of bed. Move gradually to avoid dizziness and falls. Keycap 2, drink water first thing to support circulation and hydration. Keycap 3, avoid coffee on an empty stomach. Have a light snack first. Keycap 4, ease into movement. Take time to stretch and loosen your joints. These may seem like small changes, but over time, they can make a huge difference in reducing fall risk, supporting heart and brain health, improving digestion and circulation, enhancing your overall energy and quality of life. The truth is, aging well is about the little things we do each day, and your morning routine is a great place to start. Now I'd love to hear from you. Backhand index pointing right, which of these habits have you been doing, and which ones will you try to change starting tomorrow? Backhand index pointing right, leave a comment below and let us know. Your experiences inspire and help others in this community. And if you found this video helpful, please white heavy check mark like this video. White heavy check mark subscribe for more health tips. White heavy check mark share this video with friends or family who might benefit. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a safe, healthy, and energized morning every single day. See you in the next video. Sun with Face.